Welcome back to our channel. If you've ever struggled with programming your Spectrum remote to work with your Roku TV, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll walk you through a simple step-by-step guide to make the process a breeze. Whether you're using a Spectrum Guide remote or a universal Clicker 5 remote, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Before we dive into the programming process, you'll need the unique code for your Roku TV. These codes are specific to your TV model and can be found on both Spectrum and Roku's websites. No worries, we've even provided working codes in the description below for your convenience. If you're using the Spectrum Guide remote, here's how to program it to your Roku TV. 1. Insert a fresh battery into your Spectrum Guide remote. 2. Plug your Roku TV into a power outlet and turn it on. 3. Press the power button on your Roku TV remote to power on the TV. 4. Grab your Spectrum Guide remote. 5. Simultaneously press and hold the menu and OK buttons for a few seconds. 6. The input button light will blink twice. Release the buttons and press the power button once. 7. The input button should remain lit. 8. Point the remote at your TV and press and hold the UP arrow. 9. When the TV turns off, release the UP arrow. Your remote is now programmed. If the previous steps don't work and your TV doesn't turn on, you may need to enter the remote code manually. Follow these additional steps. 1. Repeat steps 1 to 5 from the previous procedure. 2. Once the input button light blinks twice, manually input the provided remote codes. 3. Try each code until the input button light blinks twice again. 4. Press the power button to check if your Roku TV responds to the Spectrum remote. Using a universal Clicker 5 remote with your Roku TV, follow these steps to program it. 1. Turn on your Roku TV. 2. Grab your Spectrum universal remote. 3. Press and hold the TV and OK buttons for about 3 seconds. 4. The TV button light will illuminate. 5. Point the remote at your TV and press the power button. 6. The TV button light will start blinking. 7. Input the provided codes using the number buttons. 8. Try each code until you find the one that turns off your Roku TV. 9. Once the TV turns off, press the power button again to lock in the code. If the code provided doesn't work with the Spectrum Universal Remote, you can use the auto-scan method. Here's how. 1. Follow steps 1 to 4 from the previous procedure. 2. With the TV button light on, point the remote at your Roku TV. 3. Keep pressing the CH plus or CH button until your TV turns off. 4. After it turns off, press the power button on the Spectrum Universal Remote to turn your Roku TV back on. 5. If it responds and turns on, your Spectrum remote is successfully programmed. That's a wrap. Programming your Spectrum remote to your Roku TV is now a walk in the park. We hope this guide has been helpful, and if you have any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to your device's customer support. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.